How to see how much time I spend on Facebook. Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to see how much time you spend on Facebook. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First thing you have to do is open your mobile phone settings. Now type screen time in the search bar here. After that, click on the second option. So here you can see that today I have used the mobile phone for 3 hours and 6 minutes. If you want to see the screen time of any platform, then you have to click on its name. For example, I click on Facebook. So here you can see that I have used Facebook today for 57 minutes. Now here you can also select the limit for this platform. Now to see screen time of YouTube, you have to click on the name of YouTube. In this way you can see the screen time of any platform or your mobile phone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.